Good evening, Sanbonani. Oh, it's been a while since I did a live. Sometimes or a video. Sometimes it's good to take a step back to retreat, to go and recollect to. It's important to go to singakhulumi even when really it's not necessary or we don't have anything that we feel from the depth of our soul ukuthi is worth saying, and it would add value or it will be impactful. I hope everybody's been good. Namhlanje I was reflecting on, I think it was motivated by a lot of things that I've been seeing on socials without getting into them, the details of what is motivated this. Then I reflected, and it took me to, especially when it comes to izinto that we are doing in our lives, whether be it's your spiritual gift, whether be it's your work, it's a career, kuyo yonke into. We all want to shoot for the stars. We all aim and target, and the intention and the motivation is to shoot for the stars and to be successful. To be successful, sibone progress, but ngazibuza ukuthi do we ever pay attention to ama intentions wethu in whatever ama intentions wethu for doing certain things, for wanting certain things, for desiring certain things? Do we pay attention? Do we ask ourselves if our intentions were to asase aligned to divine spirit? And it's important for me to say divine spirit because meaning mimoya, and nayi into esibonayo that is rife, that it is into mazenzeka sibone ukuthi honestly we are being led by so many different spirits, and eminye they are not divine spirits. So iqala kuphi leyo nto? Ayiqali masekwenzakala, but it starts here. And it starts here. What are we harboring in our hearts and in our minds? What are our intentions? Simotivatwa yini? If ungithi I want to be successful, what is motivating me? Am I saying I want to be successful at all costs? And mangithi at all costs, it does not matter who gets harmed in the process. Mangithi I want to be great, I want to be big, by goat. Am I saying that and angnandaba what it takes, or who it will take, whose life it will take, whose soul it will take, whose energy it will take, whose peace of mind it will take, whose life it will rob, as long as I get to attain whatever it is that I've set a target on. See, we all have our arrows, and siphilela vele to shoot, because if you don't shoot, you do not score. But siphilela khona ukuzama, siphilela khona ukwenza. But are we aligned? Ifiso zami, the goals that I'm chasing, the things that I'm wishing for, ngizabelwe na, are they aligned to divinity? Are they aligned to my purpose? Are they aligned to why I was called into this earth? Is it what God wants for me? Is it what God has placed kweyami impilo? That's why it's important to also be careful of what motivates you. Do you want because somebody has? Do you want because ngekuhlulwe? Do you want because ubani yena lo to have that thing? I can do it and I can have it. I can even have it better. Is it aligned to wena lo phiwe loku okusele? Because guys, sizokhomba indlela and then sijike kulezo indlela. Sizoqala izinto and then siphelele phakathi, because along the way we move and we shift from the alignment to what we are called for. It's about all areas. It's not about just with spirituality, but kuko konke. The minute you shift from usuka alignment with creator force, with creator God, with creator spirit, with divinity, with divine spirit, you are bound to uhamba uzithola, you know, so ungasazi nawe ukuthi ubani, uyaphi, wawuqalephi, wawuqaleleni, wakwenzakaleni. You will lose the truth. You will lose the essence of anything that is not aligned to who you are. Sometimes in empilweni we have to get a new set of arrows. Sometimes in life we have to set higher intentions. Sometimes in life we have to change the direction as target ngayo. And it is all okay, as long as uwazi ukuthi uhamba in the path of God creator and divinity. Uhamba ekhanyeni. Awuhambi where, as long as you are satisfying the desires, the fantasies of ego yakho, okufunwa uwe, okufiswa uwe, the quickies, get it right now, get it now and get it right now, get it your way, you know, shooting that arrow, you know, and if uyazi ukuthi it's aligned, you will be content with not chasing it. I'm not saying not working on it or not developing or not growing, but you will not be chasing results, chasing instant, chasing fast results, chasing yonke into. You will not suffer from lezo zinto lezo. And if we keep our egos also in check, ukuthi izinto sizifuna ngoba sifuna ukubukwa, sibonwe, saziwe, and be revered, yeah, or you are walking a good path yakho. You will be a relaxed teacher, you will be a relaxed doctor, you will be a relaxed engineer, you will be a relaxed business person, you will be a relaxed speaker, you will be a relaxed actor, musician, you will be a relaxed healer if uhamba endleleni yakho. Your intentions, whatever that you are putting out there, your intentions, as you aim for the stars, you will be relaxed and content. Ngoba you are not chasing results. You will also be okay with izinto. It's a process. Konke we process, and izinto zizokwenzeka at the right time. We also have this thing, the law of detachment, and where we are so fixated with things going our way. I must shoot this arrow, it must fly exactly as I envision it and exactly as I want it, and it must go Yolanda exactly where I want. And at that time I completely forget that ngadalwa nginomdali who knows we say he knew us before we were formed. We say he knows the plans he has for us, plans not to harm us. So sometimes I am forcing to control the direction of this arrow. Kanti God, the Creator, knows that I am going towards a direction where I will be harmed. Mara ngoba we are so addicted to controlling, and it's not easy. Most of us are. Even Nami, I struggle with detaching and saying, okay, I've put out my intention, I've prayed about it, I've done the work here. Okay, let me leave it to God, let me leave it to the universe. It differs. Khona izinto that we have to work on, but mind the intention, mind the desired result, mind your ego, mind your thoughts, mind your envy, mind ukuthi wena izinto zifuna from which mindset, and sonke we struggle here and there with these izinto. So, but let us be careful. Ngoba today sizoba la, kusasa sibe la, kusasa sibe la, ngoba asenzi izinto from an authentic space. Senzi izinto for ama reasons wethu are selfish at times. Have a blessed night.